After this one, the next one is adjust sales tax. What is adjust sales tax? Adjust sales tax means sometime if you want to pay more sales tax to the government, or you have to pay less sales tax for the government. Why we pay more or why we pay less? If we pay in advance, so the government may give us some kinds of concession for the sales tax. If this is so definitely we pay less tax. But sometimes if we delay the sales tax, so the government may penalize us. So in that case, again, we have to pay more. So whether you pay more or whether you pay less, you have to adjust your sales tax due. Click on this one. So first of all, date of the adjustment, you have to select the date of the adjustment. Then you have to select the entry. It will be selected automatically. Then sales tax vendor to whom you are paying. For example, we are paying to the Ministry of Finance. And adjustment sales tax, adjustment account. To which account you want to adjust the sales tax, right? If already you have a sales tax adjustment, it is okay. Otherwise, if you don't have it, so you can create it under this one. It can be other income account. It can be, for example, sales tax adjustment. Sales tax adjustment. You can save this one. Now, which type of adjustment? Increase sales tax or decrease sales tax? Increase sales tax, for example, this time let it increase sales tax. How much is sales tax payable right now? It is 3 lakh, 4,000, something like that. Let us say, for example, increase sales tax by 2,500, right? Increase sales tax. Save this one. Now it become how much? 2 lakh 6, 3 lakh 6,000. Otherwise, you can decrease the sales tax as well. For example, you can decrease the sales tax adjustment. Okay, we are paying to Ministry of Finance, but sales tax adjustment. No, sales. Okay, sales tax. So sales tax adjustment. This time you want to decrease it. We want to decrease it, for example, by how much? By, for example, 6,879. We want to decrease 6,879. What is the problem here? 6,879, for example. You want to decrease by. So now how much is the amount of tax? Amount of tax is this much. This is the amount of tax which is collected, and this is the amount of tax that you have to pay. These are different rate of tax, and each tax is collected under each, right? And after this, the next one is payment of tax. We have to pay sales tax to the government. From which bank you want to pay? From any bank, if you want to pay, you can collect this one. And date. From which date to which date you want to pay? For example, we want to pay from 1st April up to, for example, this June. June 18, for example, right? So click on the select all. So it's selected. Now it depends on you which type of tax you want to pay. Let us say, for example, this time I want to pay this tax of 1,09,000, as well as I want to pay this tax of 69,000, right? If you pay this one, definitely amount will be 1,40,000, something like that, right? Save, pay. Now only this amount. How much? 40,000, amount of 44,000 taxes remaining. If you want to pay more tax, then you can collect once again, go on this one, pay the tax. You have to change the date and select the amount you can pay the remaining amount of tax. Why it is negative? Because date is not shown. So select the date properly, go back first, and then you can see the amount in a proper figure. 17, select all, right? Now you can check and the amount. Close this one. And of course, after this one, the last one is managed sales tax. So these are the items which already discussed: adjust sales tax code, sales tax this one, pay sales tax liability, and so on, and preference of sales tax. So these are the points regarding the sales tax. So this point is already